Hey guys, Noah here, welcome back. So today we're going to be opening up some llamas, so let's open it. Okay, nice. Oh, it's not that great. Dude, okay, that was trash, to be honest. Let's open this one.
Well, I am out of here.
Dude, I got 1 survivor XP. Oh yes, a freaking legendary soy hoodie, yes. I've been looking for one of those. I have the epic, but I don't have the legendary.
Llama out.
Like so many greens. Dude, that had no legendaries, that was trash. Okay, overall some decent stuff. So let's, ooh, huh. Oh dude, what's the bolt storm? What's that? Should I just buy the bolt storm? I'll just buy it because why not? Wait, so it just gave it to you? Dude, what the heck? No, but I mean like how did you get that freaking daily thing? Oh, maybe it just already gave it to me. Oh yeah, I already have a duelist, okay. And is that it? That might be it. Yeah, that's it. So, let's just upgrade all this stuff, and yeah. Skill tree. Yeah, so that was the end of today's video. Sorry it's so short. I'm working on a video though, guys. I'm working on a video, so don't worry about that. Should be up like sometime like maybe this week. there's going to be a channel up on Venix Plays, which is Emily's channel. There's gonna be a video up on there, I think tomorrow. Yeah, it should be tomorrow, but I'm not completely sure. I don't know. So yeah, see you guys.